Looking so good. My lobster. And then um yes, this starts to boil up now, so I'm gonna put in I'm gonna put in the rice. Yes. Lobster. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes guys, so I just put in the rice, so I'm gonna cover the pot and allow it to finish cook. Yes guys, look at this. Oh my god, this is smelling really good because I seasoned it up and everything guys. So when I'm gonna put it in the sauce, when I'm gonna make the sauce, I will show you guys everything. Look at these two guys. Oh my god, look at them. They're looking so good. Yes, oh my god. Yes guys, see, we only prepare four. Yes, so the rest that left back over, we're gonna do something else with it. Okay, these are looking so good. I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce for it. Guys, here's my rice and peas. I'm allowing it to steam out a little bit more, and before I switch this fire off. Yes guys, it's looking really good. And guys, go by the Edge of Duty with Cleo and subscribe to his channel. I will put his link in the description box down below. Visit him. And One Love Shy Baby, yeah, One Love Shy Baby, visit their channel. I'll definitely put their link in the description box down below. Yes guys, I just put the pot to hot, so whenever I get really hot, then I put the butter inside with my rest of seasoning and stuff like that. Yes guys, can't wait for this to finish. Guys, just look at this sauce that I'm making guys. They smell really good. I'm putting curry sauce with it. Yeah. This is to put on the lobster. I'm gonna put the milk in it. Yes guys, they smell really good. You can add whatever you want to add to it, but this is the way how I like to prepare it. My garlic butter sauce. So whatever seasoning you want to put on it, you can go ahead and add to it. I'm gonna that's the milk. I just add the milk to it. So I'm just gonna let this go ahead and reach a boiling point. Whenever it reach a boiling point, then I'm gonna add the lobster to it. Just ensure that I'm blending everything, that everything gets blended out. Yes guys, it smells really really good. I'm just gonna allow that to finish boil. Yes, so guys, so this is the fish that we catch. We're gonna season this up now to fry. So the lobster is on the fire, and this is the fish that we're gonna season. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some seasoning to it. Yes guys, and get everything prepared for this meal. Yes guys, so this is the lobster. Guys, my pots are really small, so sorry about that. Pots are really small. So I'm just pouring the sauce over it. The other one couldn't hold in the pot, guys. So yes guys, so this is finished cooking now. I'm gonna let it simmer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fry my fish. Guys, The rice and peas finish. So I have the pot on the fire to fry the fish. So I'm waiting for it to get hot. Then whenever it get hot, I'm gonna put the oil inside. So guys, this is the fish. I already put some seasoning on it. I'm gonna rub out the seasoning, ensure that the seasoning soak properly in them. So I'm gonna fry them. Oh my god, guys, I can't wait for dinner to finish. Oh, and some. Guys, these two lobster couldn't hold inside the sauce. See, we look both a little bit more than what we expected, but these two lobster, so whenever I take those out the sauce, I'm gonna put these inside the sauce. Yes, guys, this lobster dish is really delicious. Guys, go over to Edge of Duty. I'm gonna put his link in the description box. One Love Shy Baby, I'm gonna put her link also, so you're gonna visit their channel, subscribe to their channel, guys. Let them know that Juliana Sewell sent you to their channel. Show them some love and support. I would really appreciate it, guys. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliana Sewell. Yes, guys, and watch the video, like the video, comment on the video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I post a video. Yes, guys, so this is the fish inside of the pot frying right now, and this is the water for the broccoli. Yeah, so I'm allowing the water to come to a boiling point before I put the broccoli inside. Yeah. Yes, guys, this is the broccoli inside the water, the boiling water. So I'm gonna allow it to steam. So I'm gonna cover it for it to steam. And that is the fish inside. This is almost finished, guys. That's the lobster inside the sauce. Yes, guys. So I'm just waiting for all these things. I'm gonna finish making the vegetable. So the broccoli is steaming down and the fish is finishing frying. So as soon as the fish finish fry, then I will share your dinner out. So guys, I only have these two fish that leave to fry, so I'm gonna fry these two fish. I'm gonna take out the rest from out the pot and fry this. So this is what we catch today. See, good size fish them. Yes, guys, this is my dinner. Yeah, looking so good with my fruit punch juice, guys. Wow, look at the lobster, the fish, the broccoli. Oh my god, guys, this is looking really, really good. Guys, remember to watch the video, like the video, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for your support along this journey. I thank each and every one of you guys, and welcome all my new supporter. Thank you. See you in the next video. Ready, let go.